Have you ever stopped to think about, like, how much banking is changing these days?
Oh, yeah, for sure.
It's crazy to think about.
Yeah.
I mean, it seems like we're on the verge of something, like, totally different.
Mm-hmm.
Almost out of a sci-fi movie.
Yeah.
Like, banks that know us better than we know ourselves,
Right.
anticipating our needs before we even think of them. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I know exactly what you mean. And the thing is, this
Right.
isn't just like some futuristic fantasy.
Right.
We're drawing from, some serious research here.
Oh, really?
A webinar from INSEAD. It's a top-tier global business school. So
Okay. Yeah.
they've got some really bright minds looking at the future of banking,
Yeah.
and their vision is, well, pretty mind-blowing.
So paint me a picture then. What does this future look like?
Okay.
What kind of mind-blowing changes are we talking about?
Well, imagine this. You're planning a trip
Okay.
to, say, Japan.
All right. I'm going to Japan.
Yeah, but before you even start, like, searching for flights or anything, your bank sends you a notification. It's not just like some random ad or anything.
Right.
It's a personalized recommendation for travel insurance.
Oh, yeah.
Tailored to your trip details, maybe even some insights on the best time to exchange currency
Yeah.
to get the best rates.
That's impressive, but hold on.
Yeah.
How would they even know that I'm planning this trip to Japan?
Right.
Are they, like, spying on my internet searches or something?
It's not about, like, spying. It's about using data intelligently.
Okay.
So think about it. Your bank already has so much information about you,
Yeah, that's true.
like your spending habits, your income, your regular bills.
Uh-huh.
Add to that the power of AI and predictive analytics.
Okay.
And, they can start to anticipate your needs and offer helpful suggestions.
Right.
Maybe they see you, bought a Japanese phrase book recently,
Yeah.
or you've been browsing travel blogs about Japan, that kind of thing.
So data is key here. But this whole transformation, it's not just about banks becoming super smart data analysts, right?
Exactly.
There's something bigger
Yeah.
at play here. This, like,
Yeah.
agile mindset you mentioned earlier.
Right.
What does that even mean in the context of banking?
You're absolutely right. Data is like the fuel,
Cool.
but the agile mindset is the engine driving this whole transformation.
Okay.
Think of it this way. Instead of a giant cruise ship, that takes ages to turn.
Yeah.
Banks need to become speedboats,
Okay.
able to quickly adjust course in response to changes in the market
Right.
or customer needs.
I gotcha. Yeah.
It's about being flexible, adaptable, and constantly innovating.
I see the need for speed for sure,
Yeah.
but banks are kind of known for being, well, a little slow
Yeah.
and bureaucratic.
Right.
How can they possibly make such a drastic change?
That's the challenge, isn't it?
Yeah.
Traditional banks are facing pressure from all sides.
Okay.
Customers are demanding more, like, personalized and digital-first experiences. While,
Yeah.
fintech disruptors, these new agile companies are nipping at their heels.
Interesting.
It's like, take companies like Chime or Robinhood, for example.
Oh, wait.
They're offering more streamlined services, user-friendly apps, and focusing on specific customer needs,
Right.
which is forcing traditional banks to kind of rethink their whole approach.
Yeah. So it sounds like banks need a complete overhaul.
Yeah.
Not just like a few tweaks here and there.
Yeah, I think so.
But this agile mindset, it sounds great in theory, but what does it actually look like in practice?
Yeah.
Are we talking about, like, bankers doing trust falls and brainstorming sessions with beanbag chairs?
Not quite.
Okay.
But it does mean breaking down those rigid hierarchies,
Okay.
empowering employees at all levels to contribute ideas
Right.
and make decisions.
Gotcha.
It's about embracing experimentation, even if it means, taking some calculated risks.
Okay.
And most importantly, it's about truly obsessing over the customer experience.
Yeah. Everyone says they're customer focused.
Right.
But what would make me, the customer, feel truly obsessed over by a bank?
Yeah.
What's the difference between, like, lip service and genuine action?
Yeah, it's about going beyond just remembering your name
Okay.
or offering you a free coffee at the branch. It's about understanding your individual financial goals
Okay.
and helping you achieve them.
So how would they do that?
Well, imagine your bank proactively suggesting ways to save money based on your spending patterns,
Yeah.
or helping you plan for retirement
Right.
based on your income and risk tolerance. That's where the true power of AI and data analysis comes in.
Now it's all starting to connect. This agile mindset,
Yeah.
the adaptability, the empowerment, the customer focus.
Uh-huh.
It's what allows banks to create these personalized,
Right.
seamless experiences that we talked about.
Yeah.
It's like the foundation for everything else.
Exactly. And this isn't just a trend in banking. We're seeing this shift towards agility and customer centricity across industries. Companies that, like, cling to outdated models and fail to adapt.
Yeah.
Well, they're going to have a hard time surviving.
So to wrap things up,
Yeah.
we've got banks moving towards becoming these personalized financial assistants, seamlessly integrated into our lives, all thanks to this shift towards an agile mindset.
Exactly.
It's exciting,
Yeah.
a little bit daunting,
For sure.
and definitely something to keep an eye on.
Absolutely. And as you move forward, think about this.
Okay.
If banks succeed in becoming this agile and customer-obsessed, what are the potential downsides?
Oh, interesting.
Could we see issues with privacy, data security, or even an over-reliance on technology?
Good point.
You know, it's something to ponder as we navigate this exciting but uncharted territory.
Great point. Thanks for joining me today. This has been another Deep Dive.
My pleasure.
I'm your host, and we'll see you next time.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.